Kandia with Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and I've partnered up with Cricut, and I'm being paid to endorse their products. However, this item was not a purchase that I've made. This was actually a birthday gift request that I had put on a list, and my husband fulfilled it. And so today I'm going to be unboxing it and testing it out. And so I'm going just to open it right before your eyes, so you all can see how it comes. And I'm sure that there are so many unboxing videos here on YouTube, but guess what? Here's mine. And how super cute is that? That is actually so super cute. It's so clean and sleek. My goodness, this is like super cute. I gotta tell you guys that, you know what, the videos, it doesn't do any justice for it. You gotta see this in person. It's that nice powder coat blue. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very well made, very impressive, I must say. Now, for me, I also had on my my birthday present list, I had this, and my son actually got this for me, my youngest son, and this fits onto the Cricut pad absolutely wonderfully. And so this will help me cut, or with the X-Acto knife when I'm needing to cut things out. You know, like what in some of my videos you may see when I'm cutting, I'm trying to preserve the scraps. This is going to help me do that. And I guess now that's why it's so thick, because I had made a comment in one of my other videos that this was very thick. And so that fits perfectly. And so the Brightpad, it has the manual and everything, very well packaged. I mean, but you don't expect anything less than from Cricut, because they really do their thing with packaging, and it looks good. It's, you know, just so professional, clean and sleek. And so gotta try to get this out. And this is the cord, and so it almost looks like an Apple product, to be quite frank. That's how impressive it is. Let me see what I'm doing here. Okay, so this plugs into the wall. This plugs into the Brightpad, and this illuminates your project. So you can actually draw and trace on this. You can actually weed on this. I needed this because for weeding, every time I am weeding, I am like hovering over a lamp or something, and it's very annoying. So this is going to help me tremendously, and I'm very happy to have gotten this. And I will actually do a review on what I think about it, as well as doing a review on this 9-inch mat. Now, those of you who have not gotten this mat, you can actually click the link below, because this is actually going to be going in my Amazon shop. All right, and so if you want one of these for your Cricut Brightpads, then you can get that as well. Okay, and so and the thing about it is, what I've seen is I've seen a couple of companies that have made this, but this particular company had the best review. And so once again, I will put it in the link below, so you all can go out and get you one as well. Okay, and so that's all I have for you today. If you like my unboxing video, give me a thumbs up, even though I know that there are many out there, but this is mine. And subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click that bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And until then, I see you next time. But you can come visit me on Facebook at KandiaHaynesworth.com. You can also visit me on Instagram at Kandia Haynesworth. And so until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.